All right, this is the Kamado Big Joe Konnected Joe. She is a ripper and the only set and forget smart control Kamado on the Australian market. For starters, you can ignite your charcoal by pressing the button or using an app. Unlike any other Kamado, you can totally control your barbecue from an app on your phone. These smart barbecues are set and forget, and they are literally the best of modern barbecues. You can control your barbecue with the phone app or of course by using the controls down there. What's great is as smart and set and forget as this barbecue is, you can still use it as a traditional Kamado cooker, so if you want to play with fire, you still can. The top vent control easily allows you to change temperature on your barbecue. Airlift hinges saves your back. They come standard with the end tables, which fold away to save you a bit of space. So, if you're after a smart barbecue so you can set and forget all your great cooking, come and see us here at Hot Things in Balcatta, your best mates in the smart barbecue industry.